Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot update app because it was refunded or purchased with a different Apple ID. So guys, if you are going to update some apps on your iPhone in App Store but you are unable to update the app, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, to fix an app that won't update due to a refunded or different Apple ID issue in iOS26, you must delete the app and reinstall it using your current active Apple ID. Because purchases are permanently linked to the original ID, therefore the app cannot be updated via a different account. So guys, if you want to update this app, you have to simply delete the app, and after this you have to simply remove or delete the app from your device, and then you have to simply reinstall the app on your device again with your new Apple ID. So guys, if you want to update the app, then you have to simply go for the solution. That means you have to simply delete the app or remove it completely from the device and again install it. And the other option is also there. You have to simply sign in your previous Apple ID on your device, and then you can easily update this app with the previous ID which you have recently used. So guys, these are the two ways which you can use to update the app if you're also facing this issue. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.